What's up, guys? Will H, and today we're taking a look at the cameras on the iPad Air M4 2026. Now, this is the front-facing camera and on-board microphone. I don't have an external microphone hooked up, and it's shooting 1080p at 60 frames per second. So this is kind of the quality that you'll get from this. Of course, different lighting will make it look a little bit different, but for conference calls, FaceTime, and stuff like that, this is what you'll get. Also features the center stage feature as well. That'll help you keep you in frame if you're using that as well. And I want to take it outside, do some outside photos and videos with the rear facing camera as well. So let's go. All right, guys, so we're shooting some 4K 60 from the rear facing camera out here by the spot I always come to shoot some video. Let you guys see what this looks like. If you're someone who'd like to use your iPad to shoot some video. I don't know if it's zoom, yeah, it zooms. So that's the zoom on it. Not too bad. Okay, guys, so that is just a sample of the front-facing camera, rear-facing camera, shooting video and photos. They're not the best, they're not the worst. If you're that type of person that like to use your iPad to shoot video and photos, I think you'd be fairly pleased with these. Now, you're going to have some limitation when you go into the settings for the cameras here. There's just not a whole lot that you can do, so you don't have, you can't change a lot of things with the settings. And I also recommend you use a external microphone if you're using this outside, because they didn't really pick up my voice very well with the window situation. But I'm going to have more videos about this M4, telling you things that I like about it and don't like, and showcasing other things. Then I'll come up on my 2-week review on this to let you guys know what I think about it after having the 2 weeks. So catch you guys in the next video. Will H, I'm out.